Some people can go to a match whenever they want, but some people need another person. For a match, for school, or even for a haircut. The person we call a personal assistant.
My name is Mirza.
I am a person with a disability, and I use a wheelchair. I live in Mostar. I'm 20 years old. I love action games and watching football. I finished economic high school, and I'm preparing to start IT Academy. If I had to explain personal assistance to someone, I'd say this. It's like a friend who helps you with everything you can't do on your own. Not someone who lives your life instead of you, but someone who helps you live it your way. Thanks to personal assistance, I can go to a football match without dragging my family along. I can cheer with my friends, not as someone's son who needs a companion, but as Mirza who came to watch the game. Without personal assistance, I can't do the things that fulfill me. I can't go to the city. I can't go to a match. I can't live at my own pace. It's not just fewer outings. It's less of me. The hardest part is when my PA goes to the city to take care of something. In that moment, I can't even shift my body from one position to another until they return. That's when you understand how fragile freedom really is. Personal assistance costs money, but it's even more expensive when someone like Mirza loses access to a haircut, a match, an academy, to the things that make him who he is. One mark is 5 minutes of someone's support. If you can, support freedom. If you can't, share this story. You can support the campaign by making a donation through our bank account or via PayPal.